In today's video, benefits of owning a smartwatch, and I review the Xiaomi Mi Watch. Let's go. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back sa channel, Jacob Alava. Kung bago kayo dito, this channel is all about fitness, health, lifestyle, and self-development. So, nakita nyo sa title, this video is going to be about fitness trackers. Kailangan nyo ba siya? And i-review ko itong Mi Watch. So, huge shout out to the people over at Xiaomi for sponsoring this video. Marami tayong mga tools na magagamit in order for us to stay accountable with our goals. So, for example, if we are trying to lose weight, and a fitness tracker is one of them. I'm going to be sharing with you guys the benefits of owning a fitness tracker or a fitness watch. Starting with the first reason. One very underrated way of exercise is through getting your steps. So steps, napakagaan yan sa knees, hindi siya masyado nakakapagod. You barely break a sweat. So ang tinatawag sa mga steps na yan, that's your NEAT or your non-exercise activity thermogenesis. So ibig sabihin ng NEAT, ito lang yung mga activities outside exercise that add up to your total energy expenditure or your movement, such as yung mga pag-fidget natin, paggalaw-galaw natin, walking up and down the stairs, walking around the mall. These things help us burn more calories throughout the day. Number one feature na importante when you have a fitness tracker is makakount niya yung steps mo. As an online coach, guys, I give my clients step targets per day. For example, mga 5,000 to let's say 8,000, depende. Tapos tinataas namin yun, depende sa goal ng client ko. So I've had clients who've lost mga 50 to 60 pounds with minimal cardio, pero madalas silang naglalakad. So sasabihin ng ibang tao, hindi ko naman kailangan yan kasi may phone ako that can track my steps. If you have something on your wrist like this, it'll help you be more accurate when it comes to your overall step goals. Second benefit of owning a smartwatch is it tracks your heart rate. So guys, napaka-importante ng heart rate when you are doing cardio. Kaya magandang may smartwatch kayo kasi makikita mo kung efficient pa yung exercise na ginagawa mo. When it comes to doing cardio, napansin nyo ba minsan na kunyari jog kayo ng jog or bike kayo ng bike, medyo hindi ka na nahihirapan pagtagal? Yung reason nun is your body gets used to it. May fat burning zone or may fat burning range na dapat yung heart rate natin nandun, depende sa age natin, for us to be more efficient when it comes to burning calories. So ito, screenshot ko sa inyo kung saan dapat yung heart rate nyo, depende sa age nyo. So ako personally, at 28 years old, I keep my heart rate above mga 135 and below mga 150 para optimal yung pag-burn ko ng calories. Pag nagbabike ako, for example, sobrang sanay na ako magbike. It takes me mga 10 minutes to get to 135 beats per minute. Kaya napakasayang ng oras. So having a watch, makikita mo kaagad kung nag-underperform ka. Hindi mo kasi malalaman kung wala kang watch eh. And this watch is very accurate when it comes to tracking your heart rate. So a few tips that you can do para to spark your heart rate before you do your cardio. Pwede ka mag-sprint, pwede ka mag-add ng resistance sa bike, you can jump around, do burpees para umakyat yung heart rate nyo para by the time you do your cardio, nasa mataas na zone siya. Now guys, talking about this Mi Watch, it has 117 different sports modes. You have your home button and your sport button. If you press your sport, dediretso siya sa mga exercises na pwede nyo gamitin. Now, one thing I love about this also is when you choose exercises such as yung jump rope or yung rowing, makakount niya kung ilang skips or ilang rows yung ginagawa mo. So ako, I've personally used the walk and the bike, and so far it's been very accurate. Spot on siya when it comes to my heart rate kasi hindi mo naman madadaya yun eh. Malalaman mo talaga if your heart rate is pumping, if your heart is working, versus kung chill ka lang, di ba? Now, one function that's also very good with this one is meron siyang mga health monitoring. As I've mentioned nga kanina, meron na siyang heart rate monitoring, meron pa siyang sleep monitoring. Suot ko siya habang natutulog ako. I actually had poor sleep last night. Tapos sinabi niya na 3 hours of sleep lang yung nakuha ko, which is true. It gives you awareness kung paano ba talaga yung tulog mo. Napaka-importante talaga ng sleep when it comes to our fitness goals. One thing that surprised me also with this watch is meron siyang stress monitoring eh. I'll show you guys the data. Last night when I was relaxing na, bago ako matulog, there was something online that kind of stressed me out. Naka-record niya yung feeling ko of being stressed. So makikita niyo na nag-elevate yung stress levels ko. When we're more mindful and more aware of our bodies, mas magagawa natin ang solusyon. Now for additional features, from my experience, finally charge ko siya for around an hour to 2 hours. Tapos yung battery life niya will take 15 to 16 days bago maubos. So in mga 1 month, makaka 2 charges ka lang. One neat feature also is na you can take photos with this watch. Ililink mo lang siya sa phone from the watch. Pwede mong pindutin yung photo icon and you can take photos from your watch. When it comes to your activity tracking, kailangan mo lang i-download yung Xiaomi Wear app para doon magsisync lahat ng data mo. So again, as I've mentioned, dito mo makikita yung total sleep mo, yung current heart rate mo, yung stress mo, and other features na gusto mo makita. I also almost forgot to mention na this watch is waterproof. Pwede mo siya ilubog, so you can swim with it. And ako, naliligo ako with this watch. Now for the physical look of this watch. Guys, honestly, this watch is one of the most, if not the most, aesthetic watches that I've owned. Sobrang ganda niya. The round face, the rubber strap, and they got it in my favorite color, which is blue. In my honest opinion, this is one of the more good-looking watches. So I have mine in the blue colorway. There are 6 different colors for this one, so depende na yun sa personality niya. Pwede mo rin palitan yung watch face niya. So ang daming watch faces, and you can even download some online. So, final verdict, kailangan mo ba ng smartwatch or fitness tracker? In my honest opinion, kung seryoso ka sa fitness goals mo, and kung gusto mong mas maging structured and mas makontrol mo yung variables such as your steps, your heart rate, your calories burned, sleep, and all extra data, I highly recommend the Mi Watch. You might be asking magkano to, so the Mi Watch retails for around 4,990 pesos. So if you're in the market and you're looking for a smartwatch that looks good and functions well, check the Mi Watch out. So down the line guys, baka mag-review pa ako ng mas maraming fitness gadgets and tools na makakatulong sa goals natin. Kung bago kayo dito, my name is Jacob. Please hit that subscribe button. Sana marami kayong tutunan. And I'll see you guys in the next video.